You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have Nike Zoom G.T Cut 2s. These are the Nike Air Zoom G.T Cut 2 Devin Booker player exclusives. Now, the G.T Cut has been one of the more popular basketball shoes over the last 2 seasons. This is the G.T Cut 2, also known as the G.T Book, and it's this mica green upper with hits of medium olive. Right here at the top of the tongue, you have this leather overlay with a book logo on the nylon tongue tag for the right shoe. On the left shoe, you have another nylon tongue tag that says keep it tight. Taking this to the middle of the tongue, you have perforated holes on this material. It kind of feels like canvas, not 100% sure. And then you have these flat mica green laces with orange accents. And you have a GT Book hang tag. Taking us to the toe box, it's kind of this fly wire-like material, has a similar texture to that same material on the Jordan 37s, which we previously reviewed. It just feels like it's a little bit more tight knitted together, less spacing, but a lot of breathability. Taking us to the bottom of the toe box, you have a cotton-like material or like a harder, thick canvas, not 100% sure as well, but definitely feels well put together, good quality. Taking us to the side panels of the shoe, you have the Nike swooshes. On the inside, you have a smaller Nike swoosh, and on the outside, you have a bigger Nike swoosh. Both have orange stitching for the accent colorway. And then taking us to the back of the shoe for the heel cup, you have this rubberized piece right here, and on top of that, you have the number 3 and some Roman numerals, 24 and 25 on the right and left of the shoe. Not 100% sure what that stands for. Taking us to the bottom of the heel cup, you have this TPU plastic piece right here for stability. Keep your foot in place so there's no heel slippage. Taking us to the midsole, you have this mica green midsole with black speckles going throughout, and you can also see the translucent piece that's connected to the outsole. Taking us here to the outsole, you have this multi-directional traction. It's the Smear Traction 1.0, and then it says Air Zoom across the outsole as well to let you know that there's a full-length Air Zoom unit encapsulated within the midsole. And what you don't see is the insole features more Air Zoom, so it's double stacked and it's made of React technology. And like I mentioned before, it's one of the more popular basketball shoes of the season. This is Devin Booker's version, which is inspired by his love for hiking. That's why they hit you with the olive green and the mica green, give you that outdoorsy feel. Kind of has ACG vibes to it. Very good looking shoe, love the color, love the silhouette. Seen players wear this shoe all season long. Players like PJ Tucker and Jordan Poole, just to name a few. PJ Tucker had the sick Fragment special edition. My cousin has a few pairs. He's been hooping in them. He loves them, so I can't wait to give him a try on the court as well. It's good for outdoors and indoors. There's a thick midsole here, so it's gonna last a long time outside. It's even gonna last longer in the gym. Now, Devin Booker's slated to get his own signature shoe sometime in 2024. I'll be patiently waiting for those because I absolutely cannot wait. But until then, we'll be enjoying the Nike Zoom G.T Cut 2. These retail for $170, and there's still some sizes available right now on Nike.com. There's also other colorways like the Leche Blue, the Pure Platinum, and the Pearl Pink. Lots of options for you guys to choose from. I really like the pearl pinks. Those are clean. As far as comfort goes, it's a very comfortable basketball shoe. You can definitely feel all the cushioning, all that Zoom air. You definitely feel the React in the forefoot of the shoe. I love the material and the sock liner. It's very plush. And for sizing, I recommend going true to size or even a half size up. There's a lot of give here and a lot of flexibility in the toe box because of the material that they use. So I could go true to size in these. They fit amazing. And as far as style goes, like I mentioned, definitely giving ACG vibes. I love the color. I love the silhouette. It looks very outdoorsy, like something you would find in REI. I'd wear these in the summertime. Shorts, different colors, different greens. Could wear with what I'm wearing right now, black, orange, purple. You have just the right amount of green with a little bit of hits of orange. It's just a good looking shoe. So I really like the Zoom GT Cut, especially the Devin Booker player exclusive, because if you've been familiar with the channel, you know he is one of my favorite basketball players right now, of this current generation. That's our review on the Nike Zoom GT Cut 2. How do you guys feel about these? Is it something you're looking forward to picking up? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. Let's go ahead and try these on.
Fade me, can't phase me. See they big man, probably hate me. I just want shorty pulling up in that A3 with the sunroof open and we cranking up the real life HD 4K, no fake shit. Fully booked, gotta throw you on a wait list. Okay, let's get it, baby, throw it on your playlist. I found my zone, I've been low-key out the way with it. Really though, I'm okay with it. They getting toxic off the fame, I guess. That ain't ever been the lane I'm in. And I'm not switching lanes, are you not entertained? Still party like I'm 17, ballin' like I'm 23. Everything been hella clean, living maintained. Linked up with the homies who all want the same things. If I cut them off, it's just cause they can't hang. This is all like D Booker and they all going in. Can't fade that.
And that's our episode for today, but if you guys are enjoying content like this, make sure you check out all these other videos right here as well. Tons of content for you guys to watch, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Peace.